fascia is really interesting. It's a web-like net that everything in our body is moving within. It wraps around muscles, it wraps around bones, tendons, ligaments, organs, and it also wraps inside the tissue. This is a cool area for people who've never worked like this before. If you, in a very lazy way, bend and straighten your knee, you will feel a lot of movement right where the ball is. Those are the attachments of your hamstrings. Welcome to your hip flexors and to the front connection into the hip from the quad. You have all of these muscles moving up and attaching here in the front area. You have all the hamstrings coming up and attaching here. And then you have your psoas, which attaches to these ribs, moving down inside this cavity and then attaching towards the inside of the hip.